A candy factory makes 800,000 pieces of candy each day. How many pieces of candy will the factory make in 6 days? So what we need to do is this is 6 groups of 800,000. So this is 6 times 800,000. Now before you look at that number and say, that's huge, I can't do it, there's a shortcut. Whenever you take a number and multiply it to something that is a multiple of a power of 10. In other words, this is 8 times 100,000. What you do is you multiply the first digits that are not 0. 6 times 8 is 48. Then you count the zeros at the end of each number. In this case, we just have this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Then you attach those zeros to the end of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count over 1, 2, 3, put a comma there, 1, 2, 3, put a comma there. So 6 times 800,000 is 4,800,000. Now this is a word problem and it's asking for how many pieces of candy will the factory make in 6 days? 4,800,000 pieces of candy. That's a lot. That is a lot.